Shit. Has his facial expression changed?
I'm not sure. He's kind of pissed off happy. He's like an evil happy. And he's like, no man, don't do it. And he's like, Is there acting or is there real?
Kind of.
Or is this actually just the real
I'm actually
thing?
kind of acting and now I'm fucking wrecked.
What kind of wheels are they?
They're definitely the round ones. And then the tyres, then the black tyres.
Are they Japanese tyres?
I think so, yeah. Now we get a look at. What are they? Yoko Ono.
It's handy. We're sanding down the bay and trying to prep it and just figuring stuff out, but it's always useful when you have one to reference.
Here's one we made earlier.
Yeah, there's one that we made earlier.
Why did you do that English accent?
Because we grew up watching British television in Ireland.
Oh yeah.
That's why we always do English accents and American accents, because we spent most of our childhood watching American and British television. We're going for a similar engine bay to this, leaving the holes, because I like seeing where stuff used to be. So, yeah. So we're leaving a bunch of the holes. We're not going flushing any of this, but we've added some stuff which you've seen already. But just some of the welding and stuff where some of it's been wobbly or a bit blobby with the welds. We're just sanding them down, trying to just get it as uniform as possible, which is quite impossible because this tunnel is actually lower than this tunnel, and then they were like mangled from factory, stretched when they were pressed, and there's different grooves, so it really is impossible to get it uniform.
You started, you wanted this.
No, I didn't. I tried to do a bit.
Do a bit.
Make sure I'm like that works.
Whoa!
That's usually more.
Is there any
And so not never gets done. All the epoxy primer that we put on is all shiny from people just leaning on the car for the last year, just having a chat. The elbow is polished, all of it. Yeah, from just having chats on it. There's not put a Jack Hartnett. Would you not put a Jack Hartnett?
Mom spaghetti. Vomit is on the mom.
Oh jeez, look at this little bit here.
Love these ones because you have to do this action.
Ooh, that stance. Yeah, just feeling it. It's like you're feeling an arse or a cup and a tit. Can we say that in 2019?
The tit.
This is how we don't do it, do it.
Friday night. What night is it? Oh, it's Sunday night.
Yeah.
They kind of need to go in.
Right, so it is Sunday night of a bank holiday, and we spent the last couple of hours sanding and prepping the engine bay for a coat of primer in the morning. Yeah, brilliant. That's it. I don't have anything else to say. So Flip pushed the car in here this morning because I was at home editing a vlog. Vlog roll. So she's getting some primer.
He's been cracking on, mate.
Oh yeah.
It was really easy. This is a fucking pain in the hole. But thank you.
Air rolling.
You rolling? Or is it drilling?
What were they? Like a
I don't know. I think it's for like maybe painters. Like
maybe.
Like house painters.
So the bay's getting shot with a high build primer,
High build 2K primer.
and then it's getting sanded again.
Yes, it's gonna be 400 sanded to a baby's arse.
And then
And then just paint straight onto it.
Yeah.
And in there it'll be wet and wet primed. So the next time it comes into the boot will be for like yeah, it's final shebang.
there's black rubber stuff behind the. So we have to hide that, mask it off, and hide all the piece of leg and that shed or that fucking garden. It's all going to be the one colour. But we'll always know this is here because this is an early spec front chassis leg and it has a hole in it because they had a different mount. This one is the late spec one, so we'll always remember you.
Boy there, like. You know what I mean? Ah yeah. I don't think you said I'm hungry at all, do you?
You hungry, Barry?
I'm hungry also. Quite hungry. Blue pallet.
Fuck the blue pallets, boy. Don't rob them for the bonfire. You get fined.
Yeah, but you robbed them for dressing for your car.
Yeah.
Property of check.
I didn't know years ago when I used to drag blue pallets through a field to a bonfire that I would be supporting a car that I had many years later.
Supporting act.
Great how the world works, isn't it?
It's now, I just tie up this bag. So now when we come back, someone will have primed this. So I won't have to do it.
Am I priming it? Or are you priming it?
I'll prime it, but I'm just...
It's just going to prime itself.
Yeah, it'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Just if we
Come
could do
back
that
and
cool
wow.
star wipe effect, just it's like wow.
I came to see these lads go. Shit, has his facial expression changed?
I'm not sure. He's kind of pissed off, happy. He's like an evil happy, and he's like, "No, man, don't do it." And he's like,
It's still a bit. It's really stingy, like. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because we were sick. I don't know.
"Hey, that looks great, all in one color." You sanded away the little, all the colors and all the stuff.
Yeah.
All of Barry's work is just blanked. You happy?
Yeah, it looks great.
Wow.
Yeah, obviously that covered there as well. That shaky bit there.
Yeah, I must figure out that piece. It's over in the box somewhere.
AE86 lad.
It's mad to think how fucked and rusty everything was. It's great seeing that little front panel piece and just everything over the last few months all just come together as one. Hidden like it was never worked on. Well, I'm very excited now. Sadly, Jaffest was a total washout. There were some cool cars at it, which we'll put here. went to Jap Fest
We did.
and
Soaking now.
absolutely soaking wet.
Yeah.
You've carried sweat.
Trying to get tag off it.
But yeah, we are leaving.
It's great because we're leaving at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we're already in traffic. But it was nice.
We didn't have a stand this year because Japan.
Yeah, we totally forgot and missed the deadline.
But we're kind of happy because it's really wet out. Typical Irish weather. And now we are going back to home.
Sunny southeast.
So yeah, it's a shame. This happens a lot in Ireland. Shows are just a bit at the mercy of the weather, really. So
Mercy did the yard. I'm fogging up and I can't stop it.
poor cop trying to move traffic there in the wet.
It's miserable.
Yeah, she's having a bad time.